All right, my good friends, how are we today? I got the trailer, got this running for a minute. Big exciting day. It's coming out, so here we go. It's looking good, so I think it's time to get this thing back to the shop, and then tomorrow we're gonna start the process of putting everything back in it. So goodness me, look at that, look how much room I have. Look at my Corolla over there. It's kind of nice having, no, it's amazing having 4 cars. It's kind of nice having the space for 3 cars, because remember the truck goes here. Anyway, I gotta get on the road. It's 4:15, which means it's traffic. We did it, friends. We're here, back at the shop. The car survived. So did the truck. Looking good. Look at that. It's not even a bad squat. It's all thanks to perfect placement of the vehicle over the axles. It's your boy there. That's your boy there that did that.
Don't hit the man.
Well, everybody, I didn't think today was going to be a short video, but keeping everything in mind that we got going on tomorrow, I think I'm going to keep this a short video. So today's episode is just going to be bringing the car to the shop, which is an enormous deal, because there it is, engine back there. I mean, you know this. This is exciting though. All you've ever seen was just the engine, me building the engine. There's the car right there. Like, love this car. I have some pictures of it. I'll put it up when I first got it. What it looked like. I mean, it pretty much looked exactly how it does right now. Except the only big difference was it didn't have these fenders on it. The hood was mangled. The bumper was all beat up. I think these are still the stock headlights on it. But when I found the car, it had a blown motor. Hood was up. That's what the dents up here are from. Those dents is from the hood popping, flying up. It had full interior. I gutted it, of course, right? Let's do a little walk through here. So I am a little bit of an old schoolish nerd, especially for you young kids with your cooks. Everything's cooked now. We used to sticker bomb everything, and it's still kind of a thing that I like. So, I mean, I don't know if I want to sticker bomb the whole thing, but I have a grip of stickers. My wife kind of loves putting stickers on stuff, so stickers galore. All these stickers. I mean, I think they're pretty neat stickers, right? It's Fed Smoker, if anybody knows who that is. Rada. So, that's it. I kind of regret taking the door cards off of it, but whatever. And yeah, still need to get a steering wheel for it. That door lock, it does unlock, but I removed the switch from it for some reason and then I can't find it. I kind of just shoved the bumper in there, but that's all pretty much gutted. My my whole plan, see my brake, I had to cut it in half. I had to cut it in half for the clutch pedal to fit. So no, yeah. Sunroof still works. That was a big one for me. I wanted to make sure the sunroof worked. That is not the front tire. That's the front tire, but it's leaking air. And yeah, you know, drift car. I want to make it look good, but this is it. This is my little pride and joy that I have here. Can't really remember what else I was going to say on that, but there it is. So still got a lot of work ahead of us. Engine needs to go in. That's a big one. I got control arms coming for the rear, uppers and lowers. I have uppers coming for the fronts as well. I still got that transmission mount that we need to put in. I want to get the stereo working in this because jamming out while you're driving is always a pleasure. So yeah, stay tuned. But there's the car. Hayden's back, and we got to get this trailer back. So all right, like, comment, subscribe. Love the ones that you're with. We'll see you all very soon. Bye.